Hi everyone, in this video we learn small letters or lowercase letters using this clay. These are clay packets and these are clay tools. Small a, first letter, small letter or lowercase letter A. A for apple and aeroplane. A after B. B for bat, ball, banana. B after C. Small letter C. C is for carrot, cup, car. C after D. D for doll, dog, donkey. Small letter D. D after E. E for elephant, egg, ear. Small letter F. F is for fish, frog, fox. F after G. G is for goat, grapes, gun. G after H. Small h. H is for hen, hat, house. Small letter or lowercase letter h. H after I. I is for ink, ice cream, igloo. I after small j. J is for jug, jar, jaggery. Next letter K. K is for kite, king, kangaroo. K after L. L is for lion, lollipop, lily. L after M. M is for monkey, mat, mug. M after N. N is for nest, net, nut, N-U-T, nut. N after O. O is for orange, onion, ox. O after P. P is for peacock, parrot, pen. P after Q. Q is for queen, quilt, quail. Q after R. R is for rose, red, rabbit. This is small letter R. R after S. S is for sunflower, sun, sparrow. S after T. T for train, tiger, 10. This is small t. T after U. U is for unicorn, umbrella, uniform. U after V. V is for van, vase, violet, violin. V after U after V. V after W. W. W is for watch, watermelon, water. This is small letter W. W after X. X is for xylophone, Xmas tree, Xerox. X after Y. Y is for yellow, yarn, yak. Last one Z or Z. Z is for zebra, zero, zip. This is small letter Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching.